In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restrict editing in Microsoft Word. By the end, you'll know how to limit what others can change in your document, whether you want it read only, comment only, or set up for forms. Start by opening the document you want to control in Microsoft Word. With it open, look at the ribbon at the top and click the Review tab. This is where Word keeps tools for collaboration, comments, and protection. On the right side of the Review tab, find and click Restrict Editing. When you do, a pane will slide open on the right side of your screen with the controls we need. In that pane, look for the section called Editing Restrictions. Check the box that says Allow only this type of editing. Once you enable that, a drop-down becomes active. This is where you choose what people are allowed to do. No changes, read only, means viewers can't edit the content at all. Comments allows people to leave feedback using Word's commenting tools, but not alter the text itself. Tracked changes lets collaborators propose edits that you can review and accept or reject later. And filling in forms is perfect if you've set up fields and want people to complete the form without changing the layout or questions. After you've chosen the option that fits your scenario, look toward the bottom of the pane and click Yes, Start Enforcing Protection. A dialog box will appear asking for a password. Adding a password is optional, but recommended if you want to prevent others from simply turning off the restriction. If you set a password, choose one you can securely remember, because if it's lost, Word can't recover it for you. If you don't need that level of control, leave the fields blank and click OK to start protection without a password. Once protection is enabled, Word immediately enforces the rules you chose. Try typing or editing to confirm. If you selected Read Only, you'll be blocked from making changes. If you chose Comments, you'll be able to insert comments but not alter the main text. This is a reliable way to share polished documents, collect feedback safely, or guide people through forms. A quick note: restrict editing controls how the document can be edited. It doesn't encrypt or hide the content. For confidential information, consider additional security measures. That's it. You've now restricted editing in Word using the built-in protection tools, giving you precise control over how your document can be used.